Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 77 Bonanza Chevy pickup. It's got 20-inch Michelin tires and wheels that are brand new. Power disc brakes, power steering. It was a factory air truck. It's got a serpentine pulley system and it'll drop dress-up kit. Ollie double bumper car. I love the serpentine system. Needs a hose run from here to the air compressor to get cold air working. It is a factory 5.7 350 truck with brand spanking new gorgeous paint. LED lights work great. They blink when you signal them. Cool. That's neat. It's got great sounding dual exhaust, all new paint. This is, believe it or not, the original trim on it, and it's in amazing condition. It had original paint, and it was patinaed through. And some folks like the patina look. I personally am not that guy, so we had it painted. Got a black spray-in bed liner, new door panels, new carpet at the bottom, original dash pad, original tilt column. It has a TMI Custom seat cover with the cup holders in it. Pretty cool. It's factory tilt, factory AM/FM stereo, and factory air. 350 truck. $12,000 paint job, $4,000 of the wheels, and it sounds oh so awesome. Nice chrome rear bumper, but look at all the trim. Look how nice it is. It's amazing how nice it is being original. Sliding rear glass. This is a factory short wide bed, all original trim, new paint, new seat cover, original number matching 350 that runs and drives excellent, LED headlights. Come and get this truck. It's pretty awesome. RedlineMuscleCars.com or RedlineAutosports.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all come see us.